Hi everyone, Daily Crafted here. I told you in one of my previous videos during the DP-a-thon premiere that I've been working at something, and this is it. I know it's not a huge diamond painting. I know it's not a huge, a lot of drills and all that kind of stuff, and it's actually something of a collaboration with Creative Mayhem. We had talked about, hey, instead of buying one of the clock kits, um, we could make our own clock out of our diamond paintings. And so she's, there's hers that she's going to be doing, so it's going to be different than mine. But I did finish mine, and she was really helpful with making sure and helping me look up the picture and everything for the purposes of copyright, of course. And so just wanted to make sure that it was all good. So I've had this done for a little while, but she helped me with finding out that this is a commercially available picture. So, okay, enough about that. Anyway, how I did the clock was, this is just actually a, small 12 by 12, including the canvas edges. It's a 12 by 12 diamond painting. I found it on Amazon, and it's a round round drill diamond painting. And what I did was I bought the painting and I bought the clock components, and I completed the diamond painting. And then I took my staple gun that's like all like really old and I went ahead and staple gunned it to this canvas that I found at Michael's. So it fit perfectly. As you can see, it's like right to the edges. So I haven't completed framing this out because I did want to show you what I had done before I framed everything out. So what I'll do is I can either take washi tape, or I can take some wood trim and glue it, or what's that, trim gun. I can take a trim gun. We have a trim gun with nails in it that I can put that on too, but I can make sure and pound on these staples, and I could just glue on the wood trim probably if I wanted as well. So anyway, at Michael's, what I did was, I think it was about $2 or $3, and I got a 12 by 12 wood frame canvas. And then the clock kit, I bought that on Amazon as well. Like I had just said, I'm repeating myself here. And I'd staple gunned the painting on, found the middle of my painting and put a hole through. And then I put a piece of cardboard on the backing because the clock kit has a little bit of weight to it. So it needed some support. And, oh, I kind of moved it around here. I'll just fix that later. But so here are the instructions for the clock kit, and I will link the diamond painting and the clock kit below. But once again, the canvas frame is at Michael's. So I found the middle, poked a hole through the actual canvas, and then I got the cardboard backing in here and punched a hole through that and mounted the clock kit. So I did the middle part of the clock and the hands first, and then what I did was I took the numbers from the clock kit and measured. And the way I did it was to do this the easiest way, I did the 12 and the 6 first, and then I did the 9 and the 3. So it kind of made those, and measuring the distances from the center post of the hands of the clock. And that way I could work more efficiently as far as placing the other numbers in between. And I took my Tombow Aqua Mono Liquid Glue, and I glued the numbers to the canvas so that I could measure distances of everything here, and then I glued them down. So that was another, and you can find the Tombow Aquamana liquid glue on Amazon as well. So, I'm really pleased with this. It was a really fun project. I am so pleased with how it turned out. It is like the perfect clock for the craft room or the kitchen if I wanted to put it there. I know the clock components, you can get them, I think, in different colors as well. But I did like the brass because it kind of blended in and didn't drowned out the diamond painting. That was just my personal opinion, but you got to go with what you like. And so I hope you like this. It was like I said, it was a really fun project. I was so happy with how it turned out. And as far as sealing the rest of the diamond painting, I may take my Tombow Aqua liquid glue and seal the rest of the diamond painting, just because I want to make sure this lasts for a long time, like I said. So I hope everybody enjoyed this. Hope you're having a great day, and take care. We will talk with you later. Bye.